Welcome back to the channel.
I know y'all probably didn't guess it, but today, guess what we're doing? Pipe cleaners and Jesus. Yes, sir. I can't believe we're actually almost done with this series, guys. We got one video, we have this video, and then one video after this to complete our first series. And I can't believe we made it. If you made it this far, welcome to the channel. If you're just finding us now, as we're ending it, welcome to Christ and Crafts.
Today we're gonna be doing the Belt of Truth, so let's get into it.
Also, if you guys haven't already, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe because 87% of y'all who watch aren't subscribed. What are you doing? You want to miss out on all of this amazing content? Brother, you could be seeing this on your timeline constantly. So hit that subscribe button and let's get into the video.
Let's get started.
Now for this video, it's actually pretty short since it's just a belt and it's pretty easy to show you guys how to make it. So let's get into it. First, you're gonna take whatever base color that you want for your own pipe cleaner. I'm gonna use black for the base of it. And you're gonna use about half the pipe cleaner. And you're gonna take the two tips like this. You're gonna measure it out, press them together, and finesse that thing. Fold it to the end so that the tip, and this is very straight. And then you're gonna take it around. And whatever character you're gonna be using the belt for, you're gonna wanna make sure to measure it to make sure that it's around the same length of the waist for the character. So for me, I'm going to need about this much length, and I'm gonna take the two sharp pieces here. I'm gonna take about a fingertip's length, press it right there, and you're gonna wrap. Once, twice. Now you're gonna take the sharp pieces like this so that they don't poke you, like that. No, 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 no. You're gonna fold it once, twice, and then fold it inwards, just like this. So now it's just a nub. Make sure that this is all straight. And what you're gonna do for this part right here is you're actually gonna open that circle. And then right here, you're gonna twist it so that there's a hole. And this is actually how you're gonna keep the belt on. So you put it through this hole and strap it down. But it's time to get into the fun fact about why we're making the Belt of Truth. So let's go into that. Welcome back. So, time to get into that Bible fact for the video. Today, we're learning about the Belt of Truth. What is the Belt of Truth, you may ask? I didn't know for a long time until I did some Bible studies, did some research, and I actually talked to God about it. The Belt of Truth is metaphorical, but it's also a spiritual tool that you can use in your everyday life. It's knowing the truth of what God is, what His Word is, what He says about your identity, and about the rest of the world. In Ephesians 6, verse 14, which you can see right here, where it talks about the actual Belt of Truth, it talks about how you need to have the Belt of Truth strapped around your waist at all times, which is important because you need to know, first, who you are, who God is, and what He says about you and about the world, so that when you're walking out there and you're in the world, you know exactly who you are, what you're meant to do, how you're meant to act, and how to behave with other people. Use this every day, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. Back to the video. Let's go, let's go. Now that we're back from that, we're gonna continue on with making the Belt of Truth. So, you can already tell that we have the belt like this. It'll actually stay on your character if you put it on there. But who wants just a boring belt? So I'm gonna turn this into a super belt. We're gonna add some little gizmos on there. Me, I like to have a little circle on there. So I'm gonna take some purple just for some highlights and colors. Twist that into a circle like that, wrap it around. Wrap once, twice, 3 times. Now, I'm gonna take this over here. At the end of this part of the belt, this is gonna go on the side. And I'm gonna wrap it around the black once and twice. Kind of like a superhero belt. Now you can cut through here, cut this off. I like to just cut it with my fingertips, but you should probably use scissors. Fold that up. Now I'm gonna actually add, I don't know, just some details in there. So I'm gonna take the rest of my purple like this. I'm gonna wrap it up into a little tube around a fingertips length. And right here where the sharp piece is, I'm I'm gonna wrap it once, twice, 3 times so that it disappears. And then I'm gonna cut it. Actually, don't cut it. I'm gonna bring it down to the middle, wrap it like this, and then I'm gonna put it right on the side of the belt like that. So I wrap it once, twice, and then there I cut it off. And this little piece of purple, I fold it, I tuck it inwards. Yep, that belt's starting to come together now. And finally in the back, I think I'm gonna add like a little pouch or something. So I'm gonna make a little purple rectangle with a piece, just like this. And then I'm leaving a little bit of the sharp piece out there. I'm gonna wrap it once, twice, 3 times. And then once this way, once, twice, 3 times. And now with that little piece that I have left out here, I'm just gonna use it to add it to the back. Just like this, and wrap it around. Take the sharp piece, fold it inwards. Now you guys got yourself a little belt of truth. Just like I can bring my character right here, bring the belt, wrap it around, clasp it. And now he's got his own belt with gizmos on it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in next week's videos. Peace out.